Oriru. Oriru is mean to descend or to go down. In here we have the example like Ima kara yama o orimasu. Ima kara yama o orimasu. Which means from now on we will go down the mountain. From now on we will go down the mountain. Ima kara is mean from now on. Yama is mean the mountain. And orimasu is mean go down. So in here we can translate like from now on we will go down the mountain. Ima kara yama o orimasu. And you can use with another sentence like kuruma o orimasu. Kuruma o orimasu. Kuruma is mean the car. So when you want to get out the car or even want to take off the car, you can say kuruma o orimasu. Basu o orimasu. Basu is mean bus. But in Japanese they also call basu. Basu o orimasu. Kuruma o orimasu. Yama o orimasu. But for the yama o orimasu mean go down the mountain. But kuruma or basu is mean you get off the car or you get off the bus.